Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Today is my collab called Brewed Beauties, hosted by Alexandra of Makeup Addict 1992. Also in the collab is Shar from Shar Fashion Nation and Barbara from Barbara's Beauty Bag. And this week's theme is the month of January flower, which is a carnation. So I think I'm going to do pink carnation, and that's what I'm going to go for. So I'm kind of filming this on the fly. I had a very busy day a couple busy days in a row between the soap company and um, helping some people. So we've been, I don't know, pretty busy. So I'm kind of doing this. I usually try to film during the weekend and then get them uploaded and scheduled during the week. So it was a busy weekend, so I didn't get to film. So today's Monday, and you'll be seeing this on Wednesday. So it's the Brewed Beauties collab. So please watch their videos, and we're gonna try to do a pink carnation look. So let's see. I'm using the Pink Religion, and I'm gonna add the green in for the leaves with Limelight by ColourPop, or in the Limelight, I mean. So that's what I'm going to try to do. Pink is not my thing, so to speak, but we're going to go for it. So I'm going to go in with the lightest pink, which is Saint Star. That's kind of funny. And I'm going to put that all over the lid to start. I'm going to not try to make this a real super duper long video. I'm trying to learn how to edit, guys. I ordered that Canva, and I'm just on the trial part, and I'm probably gonna order it. It seems pretty easy to learn. I'm still learning. I'm a show me person. Like I said, that's very light. I'm just going all over the lid. It's hard for me to learn by reading and, figuring it out. It'd be so much easier if I had somebody here that knows what they're doing and could show me, because I'm a show me person. That's how I learn best. I mean, by if I'm being shown and doing it while they're showing me. All right, so we're gonna go in with Sugar Savior. I'm gonna do like a third in my eye. My cat's mad at me because my girlfriend's car broke down, and my husband took a couple hours to put a thermostat in, and it's snowing, and all the attention's been on, making coffee and sitting with my friend while he's working on the car. My cat's all butthurt about it. Because during the day, it's usually just me and her. And she gets a little weirded out. Alright, that's not as bad as I thought. I thought it was going to go on looking really weird. That's not too bad. Alright, so it's going to get brighter, though. Some of them seem like, I don't know if you've ever seen this palette. Some of them seem to be a little more purple than pink. Like have a purple cast to them. So I did the Saint Star, Sugar Savior. I think I'm just going to make another zigzag and I'm going to go to Prom Night. Ooh, that's dark. And I'm going to bring it across. I'm just going to keep going like a gradient. I don't know why it's not showing up on the camera. It's pretty bright. I'm going to blend these all together. I don't want it to be too bright because carnations aren't, I mean, some are. I know you can get the dyed carnations and they're really bright. My favorite color is orange, so I love seeing the orange ones. Okay. Then we're gonna, let's see here, let's blend this out a little bit. I know I'm working backwards, but I want to incorporate green, and I don't want the green and pink to mix too much. And I'm going to go back into that Sugar Savior on a bigger brush. And go back over that a little bit. So anyway, carnations. Carnations, not my favorite flower. But like I said, if I do choose a carnation, I like to put on my table. I like them. I like flowers. I buy myself flowers all the time to put around my kitchen. So I'm either going to pick pink or orange. I think those are the prettiest. I don't mind the dyed ones, but the dyed purple ones just seem to be, I don't know, really fake. Alright, so there's that. So what can we go in next? I think we're going to go into, because I went to Prom Night in the middle. I'm trying to stay on that same, like, peachy pink. But I think I'm going to go into Pink Fever, which is more purplish, but that's okay. I'm not adding a whole bunch. See, I don't know if I like that, but whatever. We're going with it, right? It's just like this shadow does not want to stick on this eye. And I'm using a new primer. I'm going back to Prom Night. I don't think it's the primer. I've been using it for a couple weeks now. What did I say? It was Prom Night. Okay. That's good. That's enough pink. Alright. Sometimes pink like kind of makes me look sickly, I think. Like if I put it under my eye. I feel like it, I don't know, makes me look sickly. Alright, I'm going to go into Princess Crown. It's like a white, oh, I don't know if I want to do that. Never mind on that. That's really glittery. I don't want that. So I'm going to go in with Frosting Cult. And I'm going to go in the top. Make that sparkly. This one don't seem to have glitter flying out of it. Take it all the way up. I didn't do my brows today. Maybe I'll do them when I pause to, because I don't want this to be real long. I like taking my shadow all the way up. Alright. Let's put that away. I'm going to try something. Hopefully this works out. I'm going to go in with After Party in the Limelight. And I'm going to put that just barely here. I don't want it to mix with that pink and get muddy. Just the tiniest hint of green on the edge. That's really powdery. I'm going to look for a thin brush. I'm going to go back into that After the Party. And go under the lash line with it. I don't know if that's dark enough. Does that really look like the stem? Let me pause. Okay, I'm back. I ended up grabbing Nook Ink Colourpop. It's Animal Crossing. And using the dark green in there called Water Landing. It's this. And I went on the outer V, and on camera, let me see if I can adjust this light. It looks black, but it's green. I don't know how bright I can go. But anyway, I don't know. It could just be my camera. It could be the light today. It's just been a weird day the whole way around. So I thought for eyeliner, we're already up to 13 minutes. This is cream gel liner. And I cannot see. It's white letters. It's Colourpop. I can't see the color. It's this light mint green. I'm going to go in the waterline with it. I tried to film this earlier, and I couldn't do it. I couldn't get through it. I kept having bloopers. So there's my green, there's my pink. Alright, I'll be right back, and I'll put mascara on. Okay, we are back. So I got the eyeliner on. I hope you're able to see this. I don't know why the lighting... I did curl my eyelashes, but they're not cooperating today. So I got that mint green in my waterline and the dark green from Tom Nook. I'm going to finish it off with Lunar Beauty Bitchcraft lip gloss. My lips are so chapped, we've been outside a lot today. So it's just a light gloss with a little bit of a tint. So there's my look, my carnation look. Pink carnation, little tiny bit of sparkly at the top. Green on the bottom for the stem. And that's my carnation look for the Brewed Beauty collab. I hope you enjoyed this content. Please like and subscribe. Please go watch the other girls' videos. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.